Welcome to Envirovisor Solutions Private Limited. Our company is into wastewater treatment systems and we have expertise in membrane bioreactor sewage treatment plants. Today we will have a look at one of the challenging installations that we have done. This is a 30 KLD MBR STP that we have put up in an apartment scenario. Here some of the challenges that we faced were there was no space specifically allocated for an STP, and we couldn't dig deep for any of the tanks because that would compromise with the integrity of the whole building itself, and the smell and noise were of a major concern to the residents. Let us look into how an MBR sewage plant works. It is a very modular and simple setup. All the sewage, including black and grey water, flow through the bar screen chamber, where large debris like paper, plastic and cloth gets filtered out. Sewage next flows to an oil and grease trap, where light oils and heavy grease gets separated. Clear sewage flows into the sewage collection tank. Further, it is pumped to our MBR chambers, where aerobic digestion takes place, converting sewage into good water. The membrane modules pull out clear treated water into the treated water chamber. It is tertiary treated water conforming to PCB norms. So, the solution was to go for a ESPL MBR STP. Here, we have converted the existing septic tank into a collection tank after some minor civil modifications. We have added a small bar screen chamber and an oil and grease trap. Further to it, the sewage is flowing into the collection tank. In the collection tank, we have put in a submersible pump from which the sewage is pumped out into our treatment chamber, which is placed around 100 meters away from this place. We can also see that the piping is concealed and the flooring is not disturbed. The parking lot is not disturbed and the car parking can still be done. Sewage is pumped through these pipelines, which are laid along the compound wall, and it goes up to our system, which is in the diagonally opposite corner of this plot. Looking at the challenges mentioned before, we had to take care of the smell, noise and the space issues. We have customized and designed this plant in such a way that it can be actually placed within the corridor space available behind the car parking. Also, if you can look at it, we have placed it very close by to the DG, which is also not an issue. To take care of the noise, we have put our pumps and blowers into an enclosure like this, which will reduce the noise to the maximum extent. That enclosure also has a control panel which automatically runs the whole system. Now the sewage coming from the collection tank is taken into this membrane bio chamber directly. In this bio chamber we have aerobic processes happening which will treat the sewage and convert it into good water. Good water is pulled out of the membrane and taken into a treated water tank. Now we can also see that there is an apartment right above this system, and they are not disturbed either by the sound or smell of our STPs. Treated water coming out of our systems are clear and odor free without any color. This is a sample of our treated water. This water is conforming to all PCB norms. It is very crystal clear without any colors or odors. It can be reused for flushing the toilets or washing your floorways. Daily ಏನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಸರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಚುಟ್ಟು ಉಂಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಹೋಗಿ 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಯಿತು.
We have been using MBR STP water for our toilet flushing and floor cleaning in our parking lots. The water quality is excellent and we have been saving water because of Envirovisor's MBR STP.
In fact, earlier we used to get 7 tankers of water per day. Now after putting this MBR STP, now we came down to 5. We are saving 2 tankers of water per day. Special thanks to Envirovisor. Today we are a responsible community and taking care of our own resource and helping our future generation to have access for good water.
Envirovisor's MBR systems. Make a wise choice.